Hello, we will be holding the first DermaLase MasterClass in September of this year. It'll be spread over 2 days and we will be discussing lasers and IPLs and how we can use these devices to remove hair, blood vessels, pigmentation and also for skin rejuvenation. And then we'll be talking about laser tattoo removal. So in the first session on day one, we'll be talking about the basics and the fundamentals of lasers and IPLs. In particular, we'll discuss the wavelength, power, fluence, pulse width, and why these are all important parameters. We'll talk about how light transports into the skin and where it ends up, particularly around hair and blood vessels and pigmentation, tattoos, etc. And then how light and heat are related and how we can manipulate them to get the best results. Finally, we'll finish off with which device is best for particular treatments. In the afternoon session, we will discuss the actual treatment of hair, blood vessels and pigmentation using lasers and IPLs. So this will cover diode lasers, YAGs and alexandrites, and then also IPL systems. We'll discuss how to choose the correct wavelength for different conditions, how to choose the correct fluence and pulse durations, which is always a little bit tricky, why skin cooling is so important in all of these photothermal treatments, the time between different sessions and how to achieve the best results. And we'll finish off with a question and answer session with a panel of people who I've trained in the past and who've applied my training and found they've got better results. On day two, session number 3, we will discuss laser tattoo removal. In particular, we'll have a look at wavelengths and ink colors and how they're related, how the overall process works, and I've got some new information on this, which I've been working on recently. What are the best laser parameters to use for tattoos? How long should we leave between sessions, which again is very important. A little chat about nanosecond versus picosecond, which comes up every now and then. And then once again, we'll finish off with managing realistic expectations and a Q&A session as we did the previous day. And then in the afternoon session on day 2, we'll discuss the removal of benign pigmentation and blood vessels. What can we treat and what should we avoid? Again, what are the best laser parameters to treat these things? I will show you a case where I treated a young lady's benign pigmentation on her leg with both the Q-switch YAG laser and an IPL. And we can look at the differences there and discuss why they are like that. And then we'll finish off again with the expectations and another Q&A session. Hopefully you'll learn a lot from the girls on the panel. And the cost of this conference will be £400 per day per delegate. You don't need to come to both days, it's entirely up to yourself. If you go for the early bird option, then it's £350 per day per delegate. And if you've trained with me before, then you get an extra £100 discount. There will be group discounts available too. Please apply to us on DermaLase MasterClass at gmail.com for more details. The hotel will also be offering a discounted rate if you wish to stay there. This will all be occurring in September on the 18th and 19th in the Aston Hotel and Conference Centre in Birmingham. If you want to come along and learn some new stuff, hopefully, then this would be a good forum for you. Or if you just simply want to chat with other people who are also doing this kind of thing, then it's an excellent forum for that too. Please contact us on DermaLase MasterClass at gmail.com and hopefully we'll see you all soon. Thank you.